This is the last thing we've never seen before. Today is really an important day. It was all put together so easily. You'll be shocked by what they're pointing out. We even got proof from the Shiba Inu developers. But what am I talking about? All right, let me explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Starting off today, we have some really exciting news. Famous Bitcoin experts Jason Williams and Yasin have just set a high goal of 5 cents for Shiba Inu in this bull market. This big statement has generated a lot of discussion in the cryptocurrency world. An enormous quantity of over 500 trillion tokens makes many people doubt that Shiba Inu will ever hit a penny. This bull run has already been predicted to last not just 1, but 5 cents. Doesn't it sound unbelievable? This statement isn't just a guess, though. Deep research supports this prediction, so stay tuned as we go into more depth. Recently, Williams and Yasin proudly said on social media that their goal for Shiba Inu this cycle is 5 cents. As part of a larger study of the most popular cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, they made this impressive forecast. According to Yasin's post, Shiba Inu could reach 5 cents if Bitcoin goes up to $777,000 this season. Meanwhile, Williams thinks that Shiba Inu could reach 5 cents if Bitcoin only hits $250,000. Presently, Shiba Inu is dealing with 4 starting zeros. Overall, Bitcoin experts think Shiba Inu will get rid of 3 more zeros by 2025. That would require Shiba Inu to experience a huge price increase of 2 billion% in the next year. As an example, such a huge gain would definitely be a record-breaking achievement. Such big gains make this forecast even more amazing. Shiba Inu probable price increases of over 2 billion% would set a new standard in the industry and might change what's thought to be possible for coin growth. However, is it really going to hit that soon? Let us now look at some other analysts. Following the split of Bitcoin in 2020, Shiba Inu saw an amazing rise of over 880,000%, which started a bull market that finished in 2021. Although there is a lot of hope that Shiba Inu can repeat this rapid rise, most experts expect a less dramatic result. On average, they think the coin will lose just 1 zero and stay around 3 zeros or a little higher. For instance, Donna, a cryptocurrency analyst known for making correct Dogecoin predictions, thinks that Shiba Inu's price won't go above 3 zeros this bull season. Not something you would think of as a reason for that. People tend to ignore this one, but they should pay more attention to it. Also, that's pretty funny. I imagine you're trying to lose weight and believe that the only reason you're not losing weight is because you don't exercise enough. More research may reveal other factors at play, such as food, sleep quality, and stress levels. It's not just that they don't exercise. Multiple factors are preventing you from making progress. Similarly, the Shiba Inu's huge supply is a clear factor, but there are more layers to the story. What is it about then? Well, Shiba Inu has to get past a big problem to hit this price point. Around 406, which is about twice the price now, there is a final sell wall. Presently, 92,000 addresses hold a total of nearly 30 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. Anytime the price goes up to this point, there will likely be a lot of selling pressure because these buyers might want to get rid of their shares to break even. A sell wall in the world of crypto is a large group of sell orders at a certain price. Costs can't go up much higher than that. In order for buyers whose coin is expected to gain value, sell walls can be tough. Overcoming this obstacle will need strong backing from buyers, which could send Shiba Inu into a phase of price discovery. Many experts still think, though, that Shiba Inu will hit 3 zeros during this bull run. How, though, will Shiba Inu get to that price? When compared to February or March, this month the crypto market doesn't seem as exciting. When it happened, the story about the Bitcoin ETF caused a panic, which led to huge amounts of money flooding into Bitcoin and the wider crypto world. To make matters worse, the price of Shiba Inu tripled in just 2 days. Imagine how important that is. Actually, it's getting boring now that the crypto market has been flat or going down for more than a month. A growing number of buyers are beginning to think that the bull market may have ended, because there aren't many big things that are pushing prices up, for example. Nothing major has happened to change the situation since the Bitcoin ETF craze went down. Values tend to stay the same or even go down when new money doesn't come in. A market slowdown can also be caused by buyers being careful about taking gains after such a quick rise earlier. However, this is where things become interesting. Bitcoin ETF sales reached their highest level in 7 weeks today. In May, Bitcoin's price hit new highs, and now daily amounts of nearly $6 billion are seen in Bitcoin ADS. This is the highest level of trading since late March. This means there's more excitement now. Bitcoin ETFs haven't done well since around the time when Bitcoin hit an all-time high of over $73,000. Sentiment says that this week, the 7 biggest U.S. spot ETFs handled more than $5 billion in trades, which is the most active trading since March 24. While Sentiment was talking, he said that it seems like the days of big buyers only buying assets on-chain are over, as trade volume is now picking up serious speed. In reaction, Thomas Kralow, the head of a hedge fund, appeared optimistic, saying that the increase in trade activity was a good sign for the market. This is where things begin to spiral out of control. Recently, even the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which was linked to big losses, has suddenly gotten some attention. This is completely mind-blowing information. Do some thinking. Unfortunately, Grayscale's daily losses have caused many market crashes this year. They suddenly decided to buy Bitcoin instead. In addition to just one day for 3 days in a row, it's really amazing. Crypto fans will be thrilled by this news. People's feelings about Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole have changed a lot since Grayscale suddenly switched from outflows to inflows. A friend who was always negative about trying new places might now suggest you check out the newest, hottest spot in town. That was not expected, but it shows a renewed confidence that can greatly affect everyone's feelings and choices. At least it looks like the bull market is back. Lucy, who works on the Shiba Inu development team, recently said something interesting on Twitter. "We will be entering a parabolic cycle," wrote a person called Wall Street Bets. Lucy answered with "Amen," but what does this mean? A fast exponential rise in the price of a product is called a parabolic cycle. That feeling you get when a roller coaster suddenly goes up and away. When Lucy says "Amen," she's basically saying that she agrees with the idea that the cryptocurrency market is about to skyrocket. It's a delicate way of pointing out that big gains could happen soon. These are the parts that seem to fit together. Analysts start by talking about how they think the price of Shiba Inu will go up. Later, there was more excitement about Bitcoin ETFs, and then Grayscale surprised everyone by switching from selling Bitcoin to actually buying it. A member of the Shiba Inu research team has even confirmed it. Reports from experts expecting a rising trend, big players like Grayscale showing renewed interest, and even minor statements from within the Shiba Inu team all paint a picture of fresh hope and promise for Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency market as a whole, indicating that prices may be about to go up again in a big way. What's next for the Shiba Inu community? Like Lucy said, they should get ready for the chance of Shiba Inu's price going up and possibly starting a hyperbolic cycle. In this exciting time for Shiba Inu owners, it's important to stay aware and careful, especially since the crypto market is always changing. For your information, this is not financial advice. Just wondering what you think about that. Post a comment below. I was looking forward to reading your view. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.